Now you stand on your own. You'll always be my little girl, my whole life, my whole world, my little girl. This dance is more than just a dance. Gives me one more chance to show the world how proud I am of you. And as we dance around this room.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to our dancers. We were fathers.
This dance is just for you. She walked down the aisle.
Okay, thank you. How I wish, no? Kung babae pa ko, magpasayod sa akong buhat sa papa.
Yung babae magka-
Kaya mas ka.